Good morning. We're leaving Spivey Gap, heading into Erwin, Tennessee. And although we're still in North Carolina officially, better weather than yesterday over Big Bald. Looks like it'll be about 77 today. Certainly not that now, but about 77 for now. And we're off. We're a couple miles in off Spivey Gap. Been a nice relaxing hike so far. The climb up is not bad. Once your trail legs start building, most of these climbs aren't terrible if you just take your time. If you're running up them like we see some people, it could be bad, but yeah, not bad at all. A nice flat terrain since there. I'll show you here. We got a nice ridge rock around here.
Got an obstacle to go over.
Yeah, a couple down trees, but beautiful scenery behind us.
Heck yeah. Good day so far.
Yeah, it's our last day of slack packing.
Yeah.
I do have the green bombardier here. Yes, I just give it a new name every time I talk about it.
And I've got lots more weight in mine today, even though I'm slack packing, because I don't want my knees to freak out tomorrow, going from 5-10 pounds back to 30.
Yeah, so we've loaded up some weight again. Slack packing, sponsored by Dozer and Wheezy on the trail.
Thanks, guys. We appreciate it.
Yeah, more than we can say. We appreciate the hospitality. It's been fun.
It's been a blast.
It has. But the trail continues. I'm an oddball, so I'm actually looking forward to having that pack back on. Hot Buns is questionable on that thing.
I'm kind of liking the slack packing. I like having hardly any weight on. I feel like you can go faster and do more, and I don't know. I do kind of miss some of the elements though of, like, you know, getting to camp and getting to talk with everybody, sitting around the campfire, you know, that kind of thing. I do kind of miss that, but otherwise I'm liking the slack packing.
And we've been taking slack packing probably a little differently since starting. We're at about 12 pounds. The first day we did right at 9 and 10.
Yeah.
Then we put a little bit more in. 12 pounds feels like nothing, literally.
And it can change your gait some.
Yeah.
And it makes it so it's different on your knees. So we wanted to at least have it be enough that our knees didn't change.
Yeah. And 12 pounds felt like I was flying after I'm carrying 35 to 36, depending on supply. And I'll show you the view here again.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this has just been a beautiful ridge walk around here. And it just keeps going nice.
Everything's greening up too.
Yeah, spring is in the air and it's pretty cool to watch, we won't lie.
Yeah, I really am enjoying, and I knew I would, but I really am enjoying watching all the little small things come growing out of the ground. Like just these little baby pine trees and little baby flowers.
Here's the ever so famous, because of its name, No Business Shelter.
No Business Knob Shelter.
Ooh, sorry, No Business Knob. It's the first cinder block shelter I have seen.
Cool.
Sleeping platform looks good. It's nice. They give you a board to write on, so everybody that does graffiti doesn't have to get crazy. Show you a little bit of that.
Huh.
I love that, because I hate people who sign up these walls. All right, that could be my favorite. I hope this is coming in right there. Tom Brady is a system quarterback. Been eating here, chilling, just staring at this thing the whole time. Let me show you the little Blair Witch looking thing we got going on here. Make that thing out with all the trees around. It's just hanging there, blowing in the wind. Connected up way the hell up there by a rope. Tied in some weird little knots. I don't know. Just saying. We lived through lunch, so I think we're good. I think we got some fresh blowdowns from the last storm. Clean looking dirt ball up there. Yikes. Nice and green everywhere. Hot Buns is trying to crawl over this one.
Hot Buns is stuck.
Need some assistance?
No, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Go ahead and film. We're trying to figure it out.
Let me know if you need assistance. I don't know if you can hear it, but we can hear the rapids from here. We're almost down into Erwin. About another 1,000 feet to drop. And we're right above the Knoll of Chucky. Beautiful views.